Welcome to Mid-Atlantic Exploration. Today, I'm in Patapsco Valley State Park near Sykesville at the Elba Iron Furnace. The Elba Iron Furnace was built in 1847 and in 1849 purchased by Isaac Tyson Jr. for his son, James Tyson. Now, Isaac Tyson owns the Springfield copper mine in Sykesville, and they had copper and iron come out of there. So the iron would be shipped, the iron ore would be shipped down here, smeltered, and then hauled on a train to Baltimore. And let's get up here and get a closer look at it. Now you can see it's damaged really bad. There was a flood that happened in 1868 where 18 inches of rain fell in a couple of hours, flooded the town of Sykesville, and it destroyed the old Sykesville Hotel and destroyed the iron furnace here, and they never rebuilt it. Now this will be the first video in a series of videos I'm going to do on 19th century Sykesville. I'm going to go to a few locations, but I thought this was a nice, easy one to start with. Now anyone can come here and visit this. This is just on River Road in the Patapsco Valley State Park. And as you can see, it's almost reduced to rubble. There's not much left of it. Over here, we can see the railroad tracks. I'm going to try to get over there and get a better view. This railroad is owned by CSX. It used to be the B&O Railroad a long time ago. A lot of thorns I got to get through to get up here. But there's a nice view of the tracks headed east. And there's the tracks headed west towards Sykesville. Now I'm back down along the river, looking for a type of rock called slag. Slag is what's left after they put the iron ore in the iron furnace and get the iron out. It's the waste product. And here's some right here. Pick this up so you can look at it. You can see it's like glass. It looks like it's been melted It's real shiny. A lot of times it's black. There's another piece over here. This one has green in it. You can see it's real shiny like glass. And it's laying pretty much all over the ground along the river here. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you're looking forward to the next one.